Hi, I am Mely Caballero-Anthony. I'm an associate professor of RSIS. At the same time, I am the head of the Center for Non-Traditional Security Studies. I teach a course of the same title, Non-Traditional Security. At the same time, lead a bunch of scholars and analysts that works on a number of NTS or non-traditional security issues, which we define as non-military issues that affect the survival and well-being of states and societies. And this includes things like climate change and its attendant threats, water, food, and energy security. We look at the dynamics of the movements of people, different types of transnational crimes like human trafficking, environmental security, and so on. We emphasize, and this kind of thinking and analysis has been published in different articles. I've had published 3 books on non-traditional security and 1 forthcoming, which basically tries to bring these issues to the attention of the global community and to promote the fact that these issues, because they're transnational, require multi-level governance and respect for certain norms, at the same time require the engagement of many actors aside from the state. I also have other research interests, and these are in areas of regionalism and regional security, looking in particular at institutions and regional frameworks in East Asia. I've worked on ASEAN and examined the ASEAN political and security community in my other book on ASEAN Beyond the ASEAN Way. And I've also looked at the whole issue of ASEAN centrality in this changing regional security architecture. I'm also particularly interested in the development of norms. This is related to my research on NTS and regionalism, and these are the norms in particular, the promotion of democracy, human rights, and increasingly as they come in together in this evolving norm of responsibility to protect. I'm part of a high-level task force that looks at mainstreaming the responsibility to protect in Southeast Asia and looking at how regional institutions like ASEAN can actually help to advance these norms, particularly when it comes to the objective of protecting civilians from mass atrocity crimes. These, I think, are very important developments as we live in a highly complex environment, which are also increasingly becoming globalized. We do have a lot of interesting things here at RSIS, including in the Center for Non-Traditional Security Studies, both in teaching and in research, and we do hope that you could come and join us and make our work even more exciting.